Hi, this is Matt Dealey. I'm a business development manager with SFS here in New York City. I'm coming to you on this beautiful morning from Brooklyn, New York to talk to you about one of the most incredible architectural marvels in the city. And no, I'm not talking about the Williamsburg Bridge. I'm talking about Domino Site E, a new development by Two Trees, which features one of the most groundbreaking facades that you'll ever see. This thermally broken, high-performance rain screen is comprised of thousands of custom perforated zinc and copper panels, but what you can't see is that they're hung with our innovative NV3 concealed back fastening subframing system. This project was over a year's worth of collaboration between Envelope, the developer Two Trees, the installer PG New York, and the architect shop. And as you can see, it's really quite something. If you come down to 325 Kent and look up the building, you'll see a plumb and level facade that was installed quite efficiently with our adjustable helping hand bracket. And the most incredible thing from my perspective is that you won't see a fastener on it. Run your hands along the panels and it's going to be smooth as silk. If you'd like to find out more about how to work with us to create your own work of art here in New York City or nationwide, visit us at envelope.us, that's NVELOPE.us, and give us a call because we would love to be a part of your future success.